Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, automatic air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, low tire pressure warning. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.